This week I was invited to test drive the latest karts available in Cape Town. Meet the Century Karting SR5, the most powerful indoor kart ever run by Century Karting. They say it handles better, has adjustable pedals, and even has hydraulic ventilated brakes. But is it fun?
Okay, let's see what it's like. And immediately it feels more solid around me. Apparently it's got hydraulic brakes. They said I should stop here, wait for the red light, the green light. There's no one. You can't double pedal on these, so when you're on the brakes it doesn't allow you to accelerate. So that is one of the big differences. Yeah. So you have to go single pedal, and there we go. Acceleration is so fast off the line. And the car turns in where it's supposed to turn in, which is cool. So far so good. Let's see what it slides like. There's one. Let's see what it slides like. It's fun to slide.
Let's do that again.
Okay, let's do some laps. Let's see what it's like to do a couple of fast laps. It slides a lot though. Trying to get the car to grip though. Woohoo! It moves around a lot. You gotta balance it on the throttle quite a bit. Let's see if we can get it to slide less. The brakes work. Oh, that was a bit close.
Maybe going a little too fast then.
Before you can use the brakes a lot more. There we go, tight, yeah! But too tight. It's gonna take a lot of getting used to, but it's fast though. I thought you can't come in as fast as you used to before though. That's the problem. You can't come in as fast as you used to before. But the steering is so dynamic compared to the old one.
It's like a little Formula 1 car.
Keep momentum is a bit difficult though. Tight. The front bites more than you think it will before. The front wouldn't bite as much as this. But this car just go. Slower, tight, there we go, keep the momentum. Top speed is quite high. You really gotta slow it down properly for that first corner. And get the line right, I won't mess up the line there. Oh, too much oversteer. And modulate the throttle. It's not just about flooring it anymore. I've got to listen. I've got to learn to modulate the throttle more. Usually you just floor these things. But now you can play with the gas a little bit more than before. See what I mean? It's so much fun. But now I just want to slide it. All the way through. Like that. Okay, last lap. Nice and tight. Oh, that's a better line. That's a much better line. That's a much better line. Keep it together, Keep it together. There we go. That was a good lap. And my arms are still as tired as ever.
I'm too old for this.
Woo! I'm still not fit enough to do this now.
The team at Century Karting are working hard to fine-tune the setup. These karts are not only fun to drive but actually more challenging than before.
That's it. I need a break. I need a break.